Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious. Allah is Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum. Today is our third lecture. The chapter name is Road Safety. Here I am describing the summary of the lesson about the road safety. Every day road accidents happen. In these accidents, people get badly injured. Some people become physically disabled for whole life. Therefore, it is important to learn how to use roads properly. A person who is wise would not like to have road accident. We should be very careful on a busy road. It is good to use pedestrian crossing or overhead bridge to cross a busy road where there is a rush of traffic. Do not cross a road running in hurry. If there is no crossing, then look at both the sides, then cross the road. In the school bus, do not climb on and off while it is moving. Do not walk or jump in the moving bus. A sudden jerk can make you fall and get hurt. It can also knock our heads. Even while riding bicycle, we should follow all rules. The bicycle should have working brakes and lights. We should avoid overspeeding. You should keep in mind what are the reasons that you speed up. Do you speed up because you enjoy over speeding or you want to move with the speed of other vehicles? It is must to slow the speed near schools and in the roads which are outside the city and where there are hills and where visibility is poor. Speeding on wet road can cause accidents. There are traffic rules which are made for the protection and safety of people. Whether they are drivers who are driving the cars or the people who are the pedestrians. If people follow the traffic rules properly, they can be saved from every kind of road accidents. It is important to follow the lane and keep proper distance between the vehicles. It is important to give indicators before a turn. Respect the other drivers on the road. A seat belt is designed to secure the driver in case of sudden jerk or collision. A seat belt saves a person from a death or injury. The traffic signs are very important. Signboards on the road tell the drivers about the coming place which is dangerous and where accident can happen. The brakes and tires should not be ignored. The tires should be inflated with correct air pressure. Indicator of vehicles should be in working condition. Road safety is a responsibility of every person and well as of government. We should always drive carefully. The important thing is to use road properly. We must know about what is happening around us. If we use roads carefully, we can avoid accidents and life can be saved. Now here we have a grammar topic that we discussed already in class. Sentence and its types. As we know, sentence is a group of words which gives clear meaning or sense. We have 4 types of sentence: declarative sentence, exclamatory sentence, interrogative sentence, and imperative sentence. Declarative sentences are those type of sentences in which we declared about something. For example, I am reading a book, the players are playing. The second one is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are those type of sentences in which we give our expression, whether it is sorrow or joyful. For example, hurrah, we won the match. Alas, she is no more. The third one is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are those type of sentences in which we ask a question. For example, what is your name? Where are you? And all that. Now the last one is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are those type of sentences in which we have a command on request and order. For example, please close the door. And second one is don't make noise. Here our lecture is end. For the next lecture, Allah Hafiz.